everyone, Sam Rivera, Project Manager with Hayden Homes. Today we're going to talk about your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors and how to change the batteries. So the first thing you want to look at is the two vents on your fixture. If you've got two vents, it's going to be a smoke and carbon monoxide unit. If it's got one vent, it is a smoke alarm only. So another way to tell is in the common areas, you're going to have smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, and in your bedrooms, you're going to have smoke alarms only. So, to change the batteries on a smoke and carbon monoxide unit, you're just going to slide this door open, pull the batteries out, and put your new ones in. Now, depending on what kind you have specifically, you may have a AA or a 9-volt battery. This one specifically is a AA fixture. Close that door. Also, if you rotate counterclockwise, you can take this off of the ceiling and see that it's hardwired to the entire system. Putting it back on, it's just turning clockwise. And when I push this button, it's going to resync with the entire system, and it'll actually say if it's going off for carbon monoxide or for smoke. As a rule of thumb, you can change your batteries out about twice a year when you change your clocks. It's a good idea to change all of them out at the same time. And also, if your power goes out, your detectors are going to be running off your batteries rather than the permanent power from the home. So after any power outage, it's a good idea to go ahead and replace all of the batteries in your home. We hope you found this video useful. If you did, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for other exciting tips and tricks from Hayden Homes.